From Garima Bhargav from ICAI, India.
Sure.
Greetings, His Holiness. My question is how to deal with fear of failure and control our thoughts by remaining in the ideal state of mind and deal with every panicking situation calmly without being scared. Thank you.
Dimare.
Oh,
Chua dimare.
oh, Chudhirve.
Next dimare. Chua dimare. Rangsim Jun, Jixem Heme, Rangsim Jun, Tapshito, Condesores, Rangsim Jun. Sem Heme, but near than Shenan gave a color chick, Shidi on a chick, Kanye Dominichita.
Okay. I feel education, including about our inner world, our mind, our emotion. So here, the Buddhist psychology, the Nalanda tradition, you say, about mind, about these different emotions. And each emotions, you see, the particular sort of causes and antidote, all these very detailed explanation in according the Buddhist psychology. So that is this way.
Chua dimare.
Oh,
Zangman, Tapshito, Shenan gave
Ka.
Shenan, the day when I nesu yon do, she Shenan Chimo, she did on it, Dominichita.
so also fear. Oh, there are fears with reason, with need. But meantime, you see, many cases just our own exaggeration and fear. Here we need, like you see, Buddhist also the philosophy say, the negative side, then antidote side, right? Oh, like fear out of anger, killing, or like that. Then also the counterforce, compassion, forgiveness, these things. That is way.
Merchua did it now.
Oh, Rangsam Junior Sim Leming on native now. Shannon Lundu. All these, I think now this country in here, the Shanta there was book, Kasa,
Bodhisattva Charyavatara.
Kasa, Buddhisado,
Charyavatara.
Jaya Avatara. Now Hindi translation available, English translation available. Then, since I came India, in Lhasa, you see, teaching of that book quite rare. After I reached India, you see, I received, you see, the oral transmission, the Shantadevas book. Now, 6th chapter, about, you see, how to sort of develop, how to useful patience and intolerance and how harmful, anger, how harmful is antidote tolerance. Wonderful sort of the presentation. Then 8th century, 8th chapter, altruism is wonderful. The self-centered attitude is the key factor for problem. So now, when we face some problem, then you see think whether there is a way to overcome that fear or not. If you see, if you find, if there is sort of possibility to overcome these sort of negative thing which you feel fear, then no use to my sort of fear. Make effort for counterforce. Then those things which in any way ultimately you have to face, no way to overcome, then no use too much fear. It's quite simple. The Shantadeva's book, you see, mentioned like that. So I also, you see, practice that. When I face some problem, analyze. Oh, this problem can overcome. Then, you see, instead of fear or demoralized, no, determined. If you see things beyond our control and because no possibility to overcome, then no use too much worry. Okay.